Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docents DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about why Americans love peanut butter. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Did Dr. John Harvey Kellogg create peanut butter? Yes, he introduced peanut butter in 1895 as a health food. Was peanut butter first introduced at the 1904 St. Louis World's Fair? Yes, it gained popularity after being showcased at the fair. Did peanut butter become popular because of its high sugar content? No. It became popular because it was nutritious and easy to eat. Was peanut butter part of American soldiers' rations during World War II? Yes, it was included as a protein-rich food. Did peanut butter become a household favorite after World War II? Yes, returning soldiers introduced it to their families. Is the peanut butter and jelly sandwich a popular American lunch option? Yes, PB&J is a staple in American households. Do Americans consume less than 100 million pounds of peanut butter each year? No, they consume over 700 million pounds annually. Is peanut butter mainly enjoyed only as a sandwich spread? No, it's used in cookies, candies, and even savory dishes. Did peanut butter become popular due to its complicated preparation? No, it became popular because it was easy to prepare and eat. Do most Americans prefer almond butter over peanut butter? No, peanut butter remains the top choice in American households. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.